Hi, today we're going to be looking at the Razer Tartarus gaming keypad. This is one of my favorite things to game with and to use on the computer. It's a very interesting little piece of technology here. It feels so comfortable to use. It's really fun to game with. And it's something I use almost every day. So let's get right into it. Here is one of my favorite features is the Razer logo. Just a good clean logo. You can see the wear, like I actually do use this. I should probably wash my hands when I'm using before I use this, but there's the wear on it. I do use this a lot, almost daily as I said. And so here we have the resting place, I guess. It feels really comfortable. Lets you get your hand right onto the keys and onto this little thumb, little joystick, and the buttons over here. Really, really, really nice. We do have the 15 buttons over here, as you can see, 1 all the way to 15. These are reprogrammable, customizable keys that you can choose to be anything you want. I'll show you later in the software that's used for this keypad in order to do the lighting effects and everything else. Sadly, this is the base model of the Tartarus, so it is not the Chroma edition, which means that it does not have full RGB. The only LED colors it has is green. Right here we have the almost sort of like a space bar. It's really comfortable. You put your hand on here, you click it. This keypad is super durable. Feels really good, feels really sturdy. It will not break on you unless you want it to break on. I mean, that's with everything. But this is a really durable keypad. On the bottom here we see that we have the Razer Tartarus. There's the wear. Oof, need to clean that. But here the button, it can be 4 programmable buttons. You can pick 4, or you have the option of 8. You see as it spins right here. Acts almost as if it's a joystick, but it's not. Here we have an extra button over here, and of course the spacebar button. The lighting over here this is really interesting. I like this. Is that there are different key maps used, so you can program. Let's say this is number 1. So I programmed this for let's say I program this for World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft has a bunch of buttons that you need to use. If you haven't checked out World of Warcraft, I suggest it. Really good game. So it goes all the way to key map 8. 8 has blanks that I can show you right here. Key map 1, key map 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With this feature you have about 200 different ways to customize your keypad and switch up everything. You have 200 buttons essentially to press on this small little pad over here. As you can see, it is the standard Razer Synapse. It's really good software, really dedicated. So here we have the keys I programmed for a certain game. As it shows, you can link it to where whenever you open the program it switches to whatever key map you want, and also you can see that it has different profiles. I really do enjoy this. And here you also have the side view because you need to be able to access these buttons over here, and here's like the little space bar and everything. Now we go to the lighting. Lighting, I switched mine. My favorite one is the pulsating. It feels like it's breathing, and I keep it on very bright. It just makes it look aesthetically pleasing. One of my favorite things. This is a really neat feature, whereas you turn off your monitor, everything shuts off. I really like it. I don't really use it too much. Typically I'll just shut off my computer if I'm turning off my monitor. And here we can also mess with just the brightness. Let's see here. We're going to switch it to normal. We go to dim. See the little effect, and then it goes all the way off. This is what it looks like with the lighting all the way off. Still a good look with it off. The keys are really good. They aren't like the mechanical keys as I showcased on the Myonix Way keyboard. They're way quieter, I feel, and they just, I don't know, they feel way better to me. I don't really like the typewriter keys too much, but it feels way better with this rather than the typewriter keys. Now let's switch back to the lighting, and it has to go. Okay. And there we have it. The Razer Tartarus.